the main reason why I've been so away from YouTube. This is what's going on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oof, it feels so weird talking to the camera because I don't remember the last time I filmed a video for YouTube, but I'm here. I'm back. Today's video is gonna be a real fun one to watch because I'm gonna be joining this challenge that I've been seeing around, and it is the JUNO Sponge challenge. Basically, you do all your makeup with just this sponge. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. This is just me trying to have fun and find out what it is so great about this sponge, because I have heard so many good things about it. So first, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like when it's wet, and this is how it looks when it's dry. This one definitely looks a lot bigger than this one right here, and it's a little bit more squishy, you know, and this one is a little bit hotter-ish. But once you get it wet, it gets like this. At the end of this video, I'm gonna be letting you know about a giveaway that it's absolutely amazing, especially if you are a makeup beginner or you are just starting to do this whole vlogging thing. Believe me, you are gonna want to enter this giveaway, so stay tuned, watch my challenge, and at the end I'll be letting you know what this giveaway is about. I'm gonna start by priming or concealing my eyes. I'm gonna be using these Becca Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer, and I'm gonna put it here, right here. Just feels really nice on the skin. Let's do the other eye. And by the way, I did do my brows before starting this makeup video, just because I couldn't figure out how to actually do my brows with a sponge. I was like, what the heck? I don't know how to do that, so let's just do my brows off camera and then I'll do the rest with the sponge. But so far this feels really good. I like it. I don't know how I'm gonna apply my eyeshadow with this sponge, so I'm gonna go with a natural look, very like soft glam, because that's like the safest route right now. So it's applying really nice. Oh wow, I'm impressed actually. It looks really nice. Now the other side. Let's see how this looks. So far I really like it. It looks good. I'm not complaining. Like, I cannot complain. Now I'm gonna go with a little of shimmer on the lid, and that would be it. So we're gonna go with this shade right here. That looks pretty. My eyelids are so small, you guys, that's why I'm like so frustrated, because I couldn't really move around everything. But I mean, I tried it. It doesn't look that bad. So we're just gonna move on to the face now. For primer, I'm gonna be using the Becca First Light Priming Filter. We're gonna grab some and apply all over. And it definitely doesn't look like it absorbs the product. Like, can you see that? Like, the product sits on top of the sponge and then it goes directly to your face, which is pretty nice. Let's see how it goes with the foundation. Foundation for today is gonna be the Catrice Cosmetics HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. I'm gonna apply it directly to the sponge and see how it goes. One side first so you guys can see how it looks like. Sponge is really nice. This sponge though, like, look at that. It's not absorbing the product, which I'm pretty happy, you know. I don't know if I said this before, but it's actually the first time that I'm using it, so this is kind of like a first impression as well. Me encanta, en serio que sí. Alright, so I was definitely trying to play it safe by doing something very natural on the eyes, but I really feel like I need something darker. So I'm gonna apply a darker shade. This probably, right here. You see? I like it better now because it has a little bit of a darker shade. So yeah, I definitely like it a lot more. Alright, so we already applied the foundation, right? So we're gonna move on to concealer using the same one from Becca that I used before. Then again, we are gonna apply it on the sponge. Oh boy, I thought I hadn't applied much and I did. My bad. That should be enough for both sides. I really do like how this applies. Like, I do like it. I definitely do like it. Now we're gonna go with contour. This one right here from Catrice Cosmetics is a contouring duo stick. Vamos a aplicarlo aquí and see how this goes. You see that? Not bad. I like it. I'm impressed. I'm doing good. I'm doing good, or this sponge is actually really amazing. I'm not mad at this. It looks good. Now I need to set my concealer. This is the Veil Translucent Hourglass powder. I'm just gonna set our concealer with that. Now I am gonna apply a little bit of highlight. This one is from Wet n Wild. It's liquid highlighter. Oof, that looks cute. That definitely looks good. I like it. But look at that. So pretty, so natural. A little bit more on the other side now. I am happy with this. I'm definitely happy. Now, I am gonna apply a little bit of blush, rubor. Este es líquido. So, we're just gonna do, pues, no es líquido, pero una crema. So, what I'm gonna do is make sure it looks good on the skin. Like that. That looks good. That looks nice. Yeah, that looks nice. That looks natural. I'm not gonna go crazy with it because otherwise then I'm gonna definitely look like a clown. I need to do my contour. My nose contour. I don't know how this is gonna go though. Alright. It isn't that bad. Alright, I'm just gonna set that now. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. Could look a lot better, but alright, so once we are done with that, now I just need to do my lower lash line. I'm gonna be using sponge as well for that. Oh god, yeah, I already messed up. Okay, so we're gonna do a very smoked out lower lash line, okay? I think we are pretty much done here, you guys. I don't know how I did. I feel like I did pretty good. I'm just gonna curl my lashes, put a little bit of mascara and my bottom and upper lashes so you guys can see how this looks. And this is it, you guys. This is the whole entire look. I did it, you guys. I did this whole look with just a JUNO sponge. I'm honestly really impressed, not only because I did it, but because this sponge is actually pretty good. I was not expecting to work this well. Like, I'm impressed. And as I said before, there is a giveaway going on if you decide to do this JUNO sponge challenge. All you have to do is participate in this challenge and the winner will be taking home $10,000 of makeup. How crazy is that? Like, the second place is going to be taking $5,000 worth of makeup and the third place is going to be taking $1,000 worth of makeup. So if you guys want to win those goodies, I will definitely recommend you to have fun, do the JUNO Sponge challenge, and just post it. And yeah, so I will leave all the rules for you to follow down in the description box, just so you make sure you follow them so you can enter this giveaway, because this giveaway is huge, you guys. Like, it's huge. And thank you so much, for allowing me to be a part of this challenge. It was really fun to do, and I'm obsessed with this sponge. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video, hopefully before my baby girl arrives, because yes, I am really close to my due date next week. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for sticking with me and for being so patient. Honestly, I do love you so much, you guys, like you have no idea. ¡Mua! Un beso para todos ustedes. Gracias por todo el amor y los veo en mi siguiente video. Bye.